This 2023 Winnebago Roam 59RX is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, smoke detector, air conditioning, LP detector, microwave, external shower, skylight, Colorado detector, water heater, spare tire kit, TV, and 12 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front entertainment, front living area, loft, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry/exit doors. This 2023 Winnebago Roam 59RX is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.